You're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. This is Danny Legend. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mine BTC, BNB, XRP, Tron, Dogecoin, even Trust Wallet Coin, and many others. Yeah, so you can see I'm doing this directly from my phone. And if you're using an iOS device, you probably wouldn't have the dApps section down here. So you have to activate it. I'll leave a link in the description that shows you how to activate it. What we do is, let's say I want to mine XRP. Now, the different tokens or the different coins gives me different daily percentages. So if I want to mine XRP, which is the largest, is given about 11% daily. And the way it is that sometimes the rate also fluctuates due to the size of the pool at the time and also the price of the token. So I'm going to tap on my top right corner, the icons over there, and I'll search for XRP. You can see I have XRP here, but I'm not going to use this XRP. I'm going to look for XRP token. So XRP token, the one which is BEP20. So I'll see it here, Binance Peg XRP token, BEP20. So I'll activate that one, and then I can look for Dogecoin BEP20. I also activate that. So that's it. Let's say I'm doing Dogecoin and XRP. Then I'm going to go to dApps. I'm leaving the link to this site. You use that link to visit the site. So first of all, make sure you are swapping Binance Smart Chain with XRP token because both are BEP20, not BEP2. And the Dogecoin is also BEP20. So if you are swapping, you should swap with Binance Smart Chain. So I could also activate my Smart Chain here. So I'm going to swap this on PancakeSwap, right? Now, first of all, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy some XRP tokens or Dogecoin tokens, BEP20 Dogecoin, because I want to mine these coins, the Dogecoin and then the XRP token. Then once I buy by swapping on PancakeSwap, I would go to dApps and then you use the link down in the description and then you paste it at the top. So this is XRP. I want to mine XRP, so I'll paste it here and I'll enter. Then it brings me here. Then don't forget to switch your network to Binance Smart Chain because Ethereum has high gas fees. You switch this to Binance Smart Chain. This also goes to show you that you can mine on different chains, but I'm going to use Binance Smart Chain. And by using Binance Smart Chain, when I come down here, it says XRP token pool 11% daily, 4,000 APR. Then the balance I think is still loading. But as of now, I've unstaked 100 and I think I've unstaked 106. The last time I unstaked 106 XRP. This is supposed to load with the figures. So you can see the XRP stake globally is 4,500 XRP, and then my XRP balance is 0. And then I currently have my staked XRP. You see, it's increasing over time. So it's going to do this for a lifetime. And then I would like to sound a caution. The first caution is that when you deposit, let's say 100 XRP to start mining, you lose that 100 XRP. The only thing you gain is the profit, which will mine forever and ever until maybe the company closes down. That will be the risk, right? The risk is that the company might close down. That is the risk. But then the benefit is that it's going to mine forever. So I can always come here and unstake the current XRP I have, but it's still small, so I'm going to let it run. Okay, or you hire more miners, but over time I realized that hiring more miners doesn't really work. Now, if you have any questions, you can come down here. Can I take my initial XRP back? Over time, the miners are not bought, miners are hired. Therefore, they can't be sold. Once miners are hired, they work for you indefinitely, providing with unlimited amount of XRP at a starting rate of 11% daily. So it starts with this rate, and at times it drops. Okay, it's going to drop over time as well. If this XRP stake globally increases from say 4,500 to about 8,000, then your staked XRP is also going to increase in percentage. So what you want to do is after buying your XRP, you go to stake and then you enter. Let's say you bought 100 XRP, you're going to enter 100 and then tap on approve spend. It's going to charge you some cents in BNB. So always make sure you have BNB in your wallet. And then to hire the miners, you enter the same amount you entered here for approving the spending, and then this side also the same figure. When you're done, you would also tap on higher minus. It's going to charge you some cents, and when you're done, you close. Right after closing, you'd see that your XRP would be here. It would be reading. Your staked XRP will be reading, and anytime, at any point in time in the course of the day, you can come here and unstake your XRP and then pocket your XRP. So let me show you. Let me just demonstrate. Now, when I go to the main page, you realize I have 0 XRP. So I'm going to unstake my XRP just for the sake of this example. So I'll come here. I'm unstaking this, unstake, pocket my XRP, and it will charge me some small amount of BNB. So I'll wait for a while, and it charges me 41 cents. Then I tap on close and I go back, and I realize that my 0 XRP changes to 1.8, and then it also increases my general balance. So it's very, very simple. If I want to mine Doge, you use the same link down there. And once you visit these links, you can access your history here, so don't worry. Once I paste it in, I enter, and when I come here, I can change my network smart chain, and then tap on the menu at the top right, and then tap on Doge, and then you see that I'm also mining some Doge coins, and this is going to mine forever. Okay, but first of all, remember that whatever you start with, you can't access anymore. So you can't take back your initial Dogecoin or initial XRP. So you can see from here, after unstaking my XRP, is now starting again, and it's reading upward. I'm switching to Dogecoin, and the daily is 10%. 3650% APR. It's also mining my Doge. It will be 6 Doge very soon. It all depends on how much you put in and how fast you get it back. How much are my fees? Is charging BSC? What is the best time to hire? The higher minus doesn't really work because I've tried it several times. The digging feet per hour is going to increase when you hire more minus, but it doesn't really make any change to it from my experience. So is it sustainable? Is continued community support just as every other crypto coin, token, or project? So you can just read through the FAQs if you want. It's very, very simple. Whatever you want to mine, if you want to mine say BNB or BTC, it also comes with its daily percentage rate. BNB is 5%. You're going to come here. I'll leave all these links down there so that when you simply, so I could even stake my BNB balance by coming here and staking the amount I have, which is the minimum stake is 0.01 BNB. So I could even come with my 0.05 BNB and I'll stake it, and it's also going to reap 5% daily, between 2% to 5% daily forever. That's how it works. And the more you stake, the more your percentage earned a day drops. Little by little. It's just little by little. But then if the global pool increases, then it's also going to increase your daily gains, right? So don't forget to simply come to dApps and then paste in the link. All right, and you are good to go. So that's about it. That's how you can mine these tokens right on your phone, make some passive income on your phone. All right, so I'll see you in another 100x video. This is Danny Legend. Thanks for watching. Bye.